What's up, everybody? I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and we are at it today again with another review video. Today we are going to be reviewing this awesome Nissan NV behind me. We did a ton of stuff to it and even some new products that you're going to want to make sure you hang out for. I mean, we might have 3 new products on this that you've never ever seen. And if you have a Nissan NV, grab a drink. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is check out this awesome pre-runner bumper. This thing, no, wait a second, no, come on. Before we jump into that, we're gonna talk about suspension. It's one of my favorite things on here. Now, the first thing you're gonna notice is this tire is massive on here. This is a 35-inch tire, and it is wrapped on a 18-inch method wheel. This is the grid wheel, and if you have the grid wheel, be thankful because they don't exist anymore. Method discontinued them. I'm kind of sad. This was like what was on our first SEMA build. So in order to get this to fit on our NV, what we did do to lift this, we did a 3-inch lift spindle on here, and we also added a 2.5 King coilover. That thing is just plain sexy in there. This also does have the adjuster, so you can control the compression adjuster. That is the IBP. That's pretty friggin' awesome. And what's nice about this kit is it doesn't need any trimming on the back fender well, and well, obviously not on the bumper because we put our own bumper on there. So a lot of really cool parts going into lifting this. This is our 5-inch lift kit, fitting 35s, no problem. Let's jump to the back and show you how we fit 35s in the rear. So as we jump to the back of this, obviously we love these method wheels. So in the back of this, we kept this really simple for now. We did a 3-inch block in the rear and actually left the factory shocks using our shock brackets that we do for the rear of this. What's really nice about that is if you want to keep the cost low, you have the ability to do that. Now, we do have some big plans for this van as we will be adding King shocks to the rear along with a full progressive leaf spring. So if you have a van build out, we are going to be having springs for you in the very near future. Definitely excited about that, as well as a set of 2.0 King shocks. Gosh, dude, like so many just rad parts. I love it. And talking about rad parts, let's check out this door. All right, so the door is always an issue on these Nissan NV. If you want to run big wheels or big tires, the door is going to hit. We have almost zero room between there. Now, of course, you want to run bigger tires. Like, yeah, this thing looks friggin' awesome like this, but look at that. Now your door opens up all the way right there. There it is, our Nissan NV door slide extension. Another good thing to say is, like, if you're gonna run the flares on your windows there in order to have more space for your build out, it's also gonna give you all kinds of room in there, and that is awesome. Dude, look at all that space. Like, it clears no problem, 35s. While we're back here, let's talk about a new pre-runner rear bumper. What? All right, guys, so here it is. This thing is just beautiful as I come down and take a look at this. So this is our new Nissan NV pre-runner bumper, and this was inspired by our new Rooted series. If you haven't seen that, I'll throw up a card or put a link down below. Go check that out, where we're taking our old school Econoline and just having a ton of fun with it. Well, Weldtec Designs came from the whole pre-runner scene, so we thought, yes, we need a pre-runner bumper for the Nissan NV, and this is it. Really sleek, tight to the body, really simple, and that's the key to this bumper. There's not going to be any mounts or any room to add a swing on it for a spare tire or even a box mount. Sorry, you just can't do it. Not available. This thing is just awesome. I really dig it. I would love to know what you guys think. Make sure you comment below, but I'm not done there yet. I have one more pre-runner bumper to show you. Let's head to the front. Here it is. Look at this thing. Just amazing, beautiful, sexy. I love it. Dude, old school pre-runner bumpers, we're bringing them back. They're here, they're cool, they're on vans. We got them. You want them. The lines on this thing are just amazing. It's really nice and tight to the vehicle. You know you want that. You know you don't want a giant bumper hanging off the front of your Nissan NV. We've also added a skid plate on the bottom, and what's nice about this is if you look under the bottom, it's not gonna take away any ground clearance. That's a plus. If you have a two-wheel drive or a four-wheel drive, ground clearance, ground clearance, ground clearance, and then the next best thing is lights. We added a light bar to the front of this, as well as a set of LIGHTFORCE driving lights to the outside of it. I will put a link below if you're looking to add any of these lights or this bumper. Go to the description down below. God, I could just sit here and just dream on this thing. So we threw down a ton of information and knowledge and parts for the Nissan NV. I know that you had to find something informative. If you have a Nissan NV, we're not done there. We're gonna be making more parts for this killer van, so make sure you smash that subscribe button. So in this video, we talked about a lift in the front, a lift in the rear, a killer new rear bumper, a killer front bumper, and a door slide extension. So if you have a two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive Nissan NV, gosh, we got so many parts for you. This is just, I love it. So anyways, guys, comment below if you have any questions about any of these parts. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. You know, you may hurt my feelings, but we can still be friends. Anyways, give this video a big thumbs up. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully I was somewhat entertaining. Hopefully you got to see more van than me. Otherwise, I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and you know what? I'll see you guys in the next video.